Hello everyone. Welcome back to iMyFone channel. iOS 18 has officially launched. I've already updated and there are so many amazing features. Are you eager to explore them too? In this video, I will show you how to download and install iOS 18 in a straightforward way. Let's go. You can open General, then click Software Update, turn on Automatic Updates, and you will see the iOS 18 update displayed. Turn Update iOS on. iOS 18 update will show on here, but if it doesn't appear, don't worry. Keep watching the video. You can give the second method a shot by using a third-party tool, Fixppo, to download iOS 18 with just one click. Step 1. Download Fixppo from description below. Launch it and connect your iPhone to the computer. Step 2. Under the iOS upgrade/downgrade tab, choose the upgrade iOS as you want to get the iOS 18. Step 3. Fixppo will automatically detect your device. Once the info shows up, click the download button to get the iOS 18 firmware. Step 4. Click the Start Upgrade iOS button and put your iPhone into recovery mode. For iPhone 8 and above, instantly click and release the volume up key and then the volume down key. Press and hold the side button until you see this. Wait for a few minutes for the software to finish installing the iOS 18 on your iPhone. After your iPhone restarts, iOS 18 has been successfully downloaded on your device. Amazing, right? Enjoy your iPhone with iOS 18. iOS 18 has rolled out a bunch of cool features that really improve the user experience, bringing everything together for a smoother ride. If you're interested, go ahead and download it to check it out. Okay, that's all for today's video. Remember to subscribe to our channel. If you found these tips helpful, share them with your friends. See you next time.